continuation of the fourth video. So after you created your ad, your classified ad, it will be reviewed by the admin panel, and if they make sure that your video is not violating any terms and conditions, as well as privacy policies, it's not nudity, it's not substance abuse, it's not encouraging violence, it's not encouraging politics or any hate speech, then it will be approved by admin. So this is the admin panel. Anyone who has an account here who is not admin will not see this section. This section is just for admin only. After the ad is created by the end user, it will come here, ads and stores. If there is any pending ad that needs approval, it will appear here. So it will be reviewed and then approved by the admin. Right now, going back to the profile, after creating your market spotlight, there's my profile. My profile is just your information as a user in the Comfort Business Hub, right? Then after my profile, there's a biometric vault. This one is a security feature. It's not that important. You can choose to lock your software using either biometric fingerprint or face ID, or even what do I say? The PIN. It's just an accessory feature that will just keep your software secure. Okay, but I will not go into that straight because it's just something that needs to be learned as you go. It's not that important. Okay, notification settings. This is the notification settings. You can just toggle any notification that you need and switch off anything that you need. So these are the notifications that you receive as in your application as you go. They are high priority alerts. For example, those that wake up the device for urgent events, for example, the connections. Or if someone make a purchase or something like that, or if someone made an order which needs approval, confirmation, and which needs very quick response. Then the purchases and order, the private messages, the social activities. You can customize your settings, your notifications from here. Right. Then there is my information. My information is just a download of the whole information that is within your system. And then this is the most important. Every legitimate software or application that can be used by users out there should have privacy policy, which is here. This is the terms of service. Terms of service are the conditions that and the directions of use. For example, you are telling your users that this software works like this and like this, like this, like this, and these are the guidelines. Just like that, just like that. These are our terms of service, and our terms of service is in English, Chishona, which is a Shona language, my native language, and isiNdebele, which is a native Zimbabwean language again. This is our language. It's not my native language, but it's our local language, which is, I did this because I wanted to accommodate everyone. Some people might not understand English, so they will read Chishona, which is a Shona language, or isiNdebele if they don't understand Shona, but they understand Ndebele. I will integrate more other languages. For example, in Africa, we need like Swahili and all other languages like Zulu. And the language from Botswana, the languages from Zambia, the languages from Mozambique, the languages from South Africa, the languages from DRC, Congo, Kenya, Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda. Those are technologically more advanced countries than ourselves as Zimbabwe. So we need to integrate those because I believe some other people from those countries will be using this application. Okay, so these are our terms of services and the private policies. This is the private policies. This means we'll be notifying you how we handle your personal data. For example, we collect personal data like name, ID, phone number, email address. We'll notify you how we are going to use those numbers and what are the effects of that. And more importantly, for each and every software or an application that collects personal information of users, there should be the most important button, which is the delete account button. This one. As you can see, on top of it, there's a log out button here. But logout is just a button that you can go out, come back, go out, come back. But the most important button here is the yeah, the most important button is the delete account button. The delete account button, according to the security and safety audit of software and application, each and every application or software that are being used publicly by users, which collects users' data or user personal data like email addresses, phone numbers, date of birth, images, and all other personal information, we will need to have a delete account button. Delete account button is it gives user a total control of their personal information, so that they will make sure that if they no longer want to use the account or if they no longer want to use the software, they make sure they will delete and erase everything that belongs to them from that system, and they will not left or expose their data to public consumption without them controlling it or allowing it. So there is the delete account button here, which will prompt a prominent red button which say terminate identity. Are you sure you want to delete your account? This action will wipe out all your user data and is not reversible. If you click this red button here, delete, everything will be wiped out that belongs to your account only, and your data will be gone. So it means you have taken a total control of your data. Every application that does not have this application will not pass the audit of safety and security in cybersecurity. Okay, and again, every software that collects all those things needs to have terms of service and privacy policy, as I have shown you. I have shown you those documents, right? And again, every software or application that deals with your many or more users who are logging in, signing up, needs to have an email for support and a call, an email address for queries, and a call as a hotline for calling, asking about the software, about how to use it. So these are the buttons here. As you can see, I just click the call. This is the number that you can click. You can find, right? And if you click the email button, it's found right on the footer, of the software. If I click email, it will redirect to send email to the. As you can see. So this is how these things work. That is all for now about how this software works. There are so many small features that can be that needs to be learned, but as time goes on, as we use this application, we will get to know some small features. For example, here there's a location-based feature, and here on top here on the Explorer page or in any page, there's a share button here. It will share the whole application. The the link to that application. For example, if you want to share to WhatsApp, you can just say this and go to WhatsApp. Let's say, let's go to WhatsApp here. Click WhatsApp here. I want to send to my number, my own number, so that I will not bother other people here. And I will find my number here. This is my number. You will be able to share this application here. As you can see, this is our logo, the software logo. It says, join me on Comfort Business Hub, discover verified local store products direct. If you click here, it will redirect you to the system, to the software. And also about the sharing, you can as well share products. Let's take, for example, here, you want to share this product, the fashion dress. Maybe you have another WhatsApp group that you need to share, or you want to share it to your friend or customer. You just click, as you can see, on this product card, there's another share button here on the product. There are engagement button. There is a rating for you to rate the nigiri. As you can see, you can rate 4-star, 5-star, as you can see, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, and then you can choose from this pre-populated statement. You can choose something that fits. If there's no statement that fits your comment that you want to give, you can just write your comment here. As you can see, you are rating the product of a seller or a supplier. You can also rate the shop, by the way. Right. I wanted to talk about the share button. Yeah. You can click the share button between the love or the like button. All right. By sharing this, let's go to my account, WhatsApp account. We just shared this dress, right? As you can see, you can click share. As you can see, this is nice sharing. You can share to your friends. It says fashion dress, price, store, the store name, then view product details and order from Comfort Business Hub. If you click this link, it will redirect you back to that dress in the software. Wait for it. Wait for it. See, it will redirect you back to the product detail. Right. I want to explain again another button. Sorry about that. Wait for it. All right. Let's go back to our product here. Today I am more interested in these dresses. There's this like button. You can like products. You can report products. For example, if someone posted nudity, substance abuse, something that incites violence, you can click that red shield button and report. You can choose from here substandard products, which means some people may post substandard products, the products that are not as they explain them to be. Then misinformation or a misleading advert. Maybe people will say, yeah, this is my